Welcome to a new entry for Show Your Stuff, the official product unboxing and review series by MultiJames95. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to get more updates on content and videos like this. And please don't forget to leave this video a like. So, we have another package, and let's have a look, shall we? But first it came from, UK. RoyalMail.com Customs. Must be from the UK. It says Great Britain right over here. Let's check it out, shall we? Okay. And guess what came out? Look! The return of Michael Flatley as Lord of the Dance souvenir program. This was made actually 22 years ago. And of course, this show and its creator, Michael Flatley, has always been my inspiration in music. That's the reason why I play the drums, the guitar, the piano, I sing. There's so much to do actually. So let's open it. There, you got him. There's his welcome message here. Let's see. Actually, I'm supposed to play percussion in this show. I wanted to play percussion in his show and use the kit configuration of Seo Jae-boom of IU. He's a really well-renowned Korean percussionist. Guess what? We have everything here. The cast, crew, and the costumes, the show Act 1, and here is his welcome message, and each person playing the role. The musicians, of course, the singers, composer, the choreography. Everything's all in. Cast list and troupe list. How wonderful. Production. So much here. And of course, here are, its merchandise, DVDs, music albums, of course the show. This was shot actually in Taiwan, but still it's worth collecting. And of course, this is something worth collecting even if you're not doing Irish dancing, as long as you love the show. And of course, it's worth collecting because it is one of your ways to help you love music. Remember, if you don't do Irish dancing but you still love Lord of the Dance, maybe your reason is music. To me, to love Lord of the Dance even though I'm not doing Irish dancing is because of music. Remember, Lord of the Dance is not just dancing, it's music. Music is always something that we cannot live without. Remember what Confucius said. And that ends our review. And this, of course, is one of the best things to collect. I hope you like this review. And if you're new to my channel, once more, again, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to get more updates on content like this. And don't forget to leave this video a like. See you in the next unboxing video.
All right, bud, welcome to the collection. On the shelf you go. I'm in severe credit card debt.
Hello there, it's MultiJames95. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and learned something today. And please subscribe to my channel to get more updates on content like this. If you want to support me or help me earn more, please donate to my PayPal, GCash, or even my Buy Me a Coffee and Patreon. The links are there in the description. And please do watch our next video. I hope you will like it. Thank you once again and see you next time. Bye.